learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 小气. First, let's watch an animation about the word 小气.
别这么小气，就借我用一下嘛。
小气是什么意思？
小气是不愿意分享，很吝啬的意思。
A few minutes later.
他太小气了，从来不请别人吃饭。
我知道了，小气就是不爱花钱。
对，而且还不愿意把东西借给别人。
Later.
你别这么小气，开个玩笑都生气。
你又说小气了，开玩笑，生气也是小气吗？
是的，小气还形容人容易生气，不大度。
那我不生气，我不小气。Today, we will learn the usage of the word 小气 in Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 小气，小气，小气. The Chinese word 小气 is a negative word, meaning stingy, petty, or not generous. First scenario, 太小气了. Let's read it 3 times together. 太小气了，太小气了，太小气了. It means too stingy, usually used for someone who is not willing to spend money or share. Second scenario, 别小气. Let's read it 3 times together. 别小气，别小气，别小气. It means don't be stingy, don't be so petty. Third scenario, 小气鬼. Read with me 3 times. 小气鬼，小气鬼，小气鬼. It means cheapskate or stingy person, a casual way to call someone. Scenario 4, 小气的人. Let's read it 3 times together. 小气的人，小气的人，小气的人. It means a stingy person. Scenario 5, 别这么小气，开个玩笑而已. Read it 3 times with me. 别这么小气，开个玩笑而已。别这么小气，开个玩笑而已。别这么小气，开个玩笑而已。Here, 小气 means pettish. Easily get angry over small things. The opposite of 小气 is 大方, which means generous, graceful, and not stingy. In daily life, we usually use 小气 to describe someone who is not willing to share or is too narrow-minded. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 小气. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.